This is my truck's old transfer case. This shaft right here, the splines on it are worn out really freaking badly and causing the slip yoke on the drive shaft to wreck the oil seal even if I put in a new one. So I put in a new transfer case, but the new transfer case doesn't have this type of speed sensor. That one's the gear kind, and I would use it, but this shaft, it's different. The place it has the gear on the inside for this sensor where it goes, it's different than the other one I have. The other one I have is the newer style, and can't put the gear on that, won't fit onto the other shaft. I'd have to switch this shaft in there, but this shaft is worn, so that'd be no good. So what we're doing to make the speedo accurate again is, we have this all taped up. But here's the transfer case. There's the what's that called? The tone wheel. Here's the tone wheel for the new style speedo sensor. It's got 12 teeth on it, and when I was doing 20 clicks, this was reading 160 kilometers an hour on the speedo. So to get that speed from 160 down to 20 clicks, I had to divide it by 8. And so what that means is I'd be left on this, if I divide this by 8, how many signals it's getting too many of, it would leave me with 1.5. But that's not a thing, so I'm probably just going to leave 1 or maybe 2. And then we'll see. And I don't think that cutting this down and having it, even if I only do 1 tooth left on it, I don't think it's enough to cause an imbalance, because this shaft is really heavy and the bearings are super, super heavy duty. I don't think it's going to matter. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Get our speedo back. Okay, so first try here's what we got. Took all the teeth off of the tone wheel except for 2. 1 there, 1 there. Let's see what we got. Transfer case extension housing's back on. Speedo sensor is plugged in. Now let's see what our 2 teeth reluctor wheel does. We're in neutral. 2 high. Now if I put it in gear, okay, narrowed it up a little, see if speedo reads. So 5th gear, and then if I go up to 1800, it should be about 70. And then we're just gonna add a tooth or 2 back. I should have left a couple extra, but I trusted my math. I'm not good at math. Yay! I'll just go straight to 5th here. pretty close. Right around there's 100. Yeah, that's pretty accurate. There we go. Look, it works. What do you know? So I know that at approximately 17 or 1800 RPMs here is right around 70 clicks. We're pretty close. What do you know? I did it. Wowee. Ha!